Lesson 8, SIAM Roadmap Part 4, Run and Improve. Welcome to Lesson 8, where we will complete our studies of the SIAM Roadmap by looking at the Run and Improve stage, including objectives, trigger, inputs, activities, outputs. Run and Improve is where the SIAM model becomes business as usual for the customer organization. In other words, how it normally works. The objectives for this stage are to manage the SIAM model, manage day-to-day service delivery, manage processes, teams, and tools, manage continual improvement activities. All of the SIAM layers will have roles to play in these activities, but the service integrator will be mainly accountable for them. Run and Improve is triggered when the implement stage activities are complete and the new SIAM model is in place. If the customer organization selected a phased approach for the implementation of the SIAM model, then Run and Improve will also happen incrementally. As each service provider, process, or phase completes as part of the phased approach, Run and Improve will take over its operational management and improvement. The inputs to this stage are shown on screen now. The performance management and reporting framework is essential for demonstrating that SIAM is delivering the results that the customer organization expected. It will include key performance indicators and targets to measure all aspects of the SIAM model, and also the production of reports to show that targets are being met and to highlight opportunities for improvement. Here, you can see the activities that take place during the Run and Improve stage. Governance establishes policies and ensures they are adhered to. We will study the governance boards that fulfill this role in the SIAM model when we look at roles and responsibilities later in the course. We'll also look at the process forums and working groups that are part of the management structures that are operated during this stage. SIAM can only be effective if there are excellent relationships between the service providers and the service integrator. SIAM challenges organizations to behave in new ways, for example, to collaborate with organizations that they may view as competitors. Reward mechanisms can be used to help encourage and foster this culture of communication and collaboration. Let's think about that idea with an exercise. Plan to spend 10 minutes on this exercise, and don't forget to review our suggested solution. Ceylon Ordnex wants to put a reward system in place to encourage good relationships. As an external advisor, give them some advice on what they could do, when, and how. Use your own experience if you've been involved with any reward systems in the past. For example, it could be a good idea to give rewards publicly, to raise the profile of the organization winning the award, and to encourage other organizations to strive for rewards. There are two types of outputs from the Run and Improve stage. Run outputs include business as usual outputs like reports, information about services, and information about processes and their performance. Improve outputs are used to evolve and continually improve the SIAM model, and will include improvement actions for review and implementation. Improvements to the SIAM model can be small activities that are carried out as part of business as usual. They can be large activities that require approval, and can even mean returning to earlier stages of the SIAM roadmap to carry out significant rework to the SIAM model. Click on the Next button to access your end-of-lesson quiz when you're ready. When you finish the quiz, click the Next button again to move on. You've completed Lesson 8 and also completed your studies of the SIAM roadmap. Remember, the roadmap stages are discovery and strategy, plan and build, implement, run and improve. Why not create your own study aid to help you learn the stages? You could make a table, a mind map, or even your own project plan if you wish.